Lesson number 3, the future of Algorand. The world has a significant problem today with financial inequality. There are more than 2.2 billion financially underserved adults in Africa, Asia, Latin America, and the Middle East. Financial opportunity for many people is inhibited by a lack of transparency, accountability, and access, with financial intermediaries driving up transaction costs and delays. The Algorand team is committed to breaking down these barriers, giving everyone an opportunity to participate in a borderless economy. Today, the Algorand team consists of internationally recognized researchers, mathematicians, cryptographers, economists, and business leaders from global technology companies, all working to ensure that the platform remains inclusive and sustainable in the future. This helps fuel Algorand's continuous innovation, and the protocol has already had 4 significant upgrades since the mainnet launch in 2019. These upgrades are support for fast, low-cost smart contracts, a Layer 2 solution for cross-chain interoperability within smart contracts, support for atomic swaps, enabling simultaneous, trustless multi-party transactions, and the ability for users to create their own fungible and non-fungible tokens via the Algorand Standard Asset, or ASA. ASAs can be issued by developers and organizations for many different purposes, including reward tokens, digital proofs of ownership, and stablecoins. In 2020, 2 of the world's most popular stablecoins, USD Coin and Tether, were issued on the Algorand blockchains as ASAs, providing instant transaction confirmations, lower transaction fees, and increased liquidity for tokens issued on Algorand. The Algorand team hopes that developers and organizations will use the protocol to create truly transformative financial applications for financially underserved people around the world. To further help fuel adoption and innovation, Algorand is establishing grants for developers, researchers, educators, and community ambassadors that wish to help support the protocol by contributing to the ecosystem.